IVM.
Hello everyone, you're tuned into Tech Careers in the New, the podcast series presented by Accenture. I'm your host Shiladitya Mukhopadhyaya. Next week, we will be discussing Microsoft with Sangita Agarwal, lead Microsoft Modern Workplace, Advanced Technology Centers, and Mukta Mittal, Managing Director, Sales and Solutioning, Lead Growth Markets at Accenture. What I was also going to ask is, we hear about this, the three cloud strategy of Microsoft, right? How is it different from, in the overall space of cloud platforms and overall space of this ecosystem which you're talking about, right? What can you tell us about it which is unique? And maybe I can get your views on this from...
So when we talk of, three cloud strategy of Microsoft, I think typically we've heard of different cloud providers. And yes, typically what we look at cloud providing is, space, storage space, your compute power, ability to host your applications or your databases. That's one part of the cloud.
Right.
And that obviously is the Azure cloud that we all know about. But there are two other clouds as well when we talk of Microsoft. One of them being a complete, Dynamics cloud, which is all about providing the ability to businesses to run their business, to run your CRM. How do you interact with your customers? How do you get a holistic view of your customers in terms of what all are they buying, what are the products they have, what are they doing on the internet, what are the queries for which they are coming back to you, and so on and so forth. And at the same time, helping businesses know a complete holistic view of your customer and to run your finance, your HR, your payroll,
Right.
your inventory, your
all
budgeting,
the applications,
all of that.
basically.
So that is
yeah.
your complete Dynamics suite, which is
Correct.
another cloud. And the third one is your O365 suite of applications, which enables organizational productivity. How do your organization, your employees in the organization interact with each other? How do they collaborate with each other? How do they exchange knowledge with each other, which, can be very siloed, but at the same time leveraging the O365 suite can
Right.
enable it for you to be much more collaborative and efficient. So that's the power of the complete Microsoft platform, which clearly differentiates it as compared to typical other cloud providers.
Exactly.
So it's a complete holistic platform providing not only a cloud storage example as we begin with, but business solutions as well as your collaboration solutions along with it.
Wow. So that's actually the unique advantage, I would say, for Microsoft as a brand because of these three distinct capabilities as a cloud provider. Does this also mean they have the fact that especially the other two clouds you just mentioned, including the O365 suite, because that's something which as a consumer you tend to be introduced to first, right? As a user, maybe as a personal computing user, you also get introduced to that. How does that transition into, as a business user, does that seamlessly work in the whole space?
Yes, so I think all of us, the lines between your personal productivity when you're outside of work and when you come into the work is blurred now.
Right.
And as I said, you're also looking at the experience to remain seamless across both. And cloud enables. Means imagine a world where you used to stack your photographs in an album and every time you wanted to look at them, the only way to do was that you're physically present along with the album.
Yeah.
Now, in this new world, you basically are moving across. You're looking at a picture on your phone while you are at home, on your mobile phone, while you're commuting to office, and you come to office and somebody wants your picture because there is a town hall, and you're still accessing the same photograph sitting in office using office laptop.
Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed listening to that, tune into the full episode next week. Until then, I'm your host Shiladitya on Tech Careers in the New, the podcast series presented by Accenture.